Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up your mail on your PC. So let's get going with the tutorial. So let's search for mail here. Good, and you have the mail app here. If you don't have it, try to download it from your Microsoft Store. So here we move to Google. I think I'm using Gmail, so I'm going to move to Google. If you have a Yahoo, if you are using an iPhone, and if you have a website which you'll be getting your email from the web host, you can choose this and then you enter the codes and everything. So in my case, I'll be going with Google here. So it's simple. Here you enter your Gmail, which is my testing Gmail for our tutorials. If you are old here, you would know this Gmail. This Gmail is an old Gmail we use for our tutorials. So here, sorry, it's 2000 rather. I did it 200. Good, so it's here. So I think we'd have to enter our password. I don't even remember. Let me type this and see. I don't even remember the password. Okay, so I think that's it. So now let's continue here, something like this, and then we have it. Now let's select this, select all here, something like this, and then let's continue. Good, so it's going to create this account for us. Very much simple and easy. So let me use a name, my preferred name. Let me use Mike, something like this, and now let me sign in. Good, and I think it's here, so I don't need to get the app. Let me close this. All my mails are going to sign in here. You can see these are for tutorials. I have incoming tutorials on Pinterest, Temu, which is an app for shopping, and AliExpress. I downloaded them and signed up recently, so I'm going to make tutorials on all of them. So that's it on how you can sign in your mail on your PC. So if you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.